Shisngi hadin baka Executive Committee balam khmat dak Voice of the People Party VPP Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council kalakno bagi bor penyat district Ribhoi Kimburom ya ka council dak bakhang ya ka treat gate ha dihar u Abhilash Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner katai ka district ula pensyai baka jingkhang ya katai ka treat gate kadai kat kum ki kendon an ka jingkhen po ya ka council. Habajubab ya kijingken tho bala ai daki executive member jangka council kata uba puel soklat ubari pet ya katanat lan bad uba Winston Tony Lingdo ubari pet ya katanat trade ki bala ong baga jingkhang ya ka trade gate kadai ka jingken ben u deputy commissioner haka arpoi teri u jemmang arja arpusan ula ong bala khang ya ka kherdop kat kum ka jing batha na ka sarkar haringkat ka jinga sngotu lang ka KHADC. Dak bapen pau bakum kibor penyat district kiburam ya ka KHADC ubaran wal ulaong baka clause 6 hak work order kabala ai hi da ka council sha unong shim wai kate ka treat gate la kadau shai ba amla ban buk yakum kite ki kherdap ha Lynter ka national highway ula kadau ru bakala dan ka jing batha da ka sarkar jilla house nam arja arpway da ka jing emerging mode bat ka KHADC ka bakhang ban bu yaki kherdap krong khajna ha Lynter ki Surok state PWD bat national highway. Ulaong bahagi arbnai baladab ka KHADC bat hima menlim kila thau prah do shipotli ki kherdap hakathan yaki ba khlam khta da ka bor penyat district ka bala khang tang yak tai ka way namar balabu ha Lynter ka national highway bat pen khen hi yala ka jong ka hukum.
Regarding the check gate, basically since it has been constructed it was erected over the NHAI, that's why it had to be closed down. Because if you'll go through the work order that KHADC had given to its own agent, the point number 6, it clearly says that it cannot be set up on the national highway, state highway or the state PWD roads. So that check gate was in violation of the terms and conditions of the work order which was given by KHADC itself. So we hold KHADC in highest regard. They have set up more than 4-5 check gates and including Hima CM check gates, there will be around 8 to 10 check gates which have been set up in last 1 month or 2 months. We have not taken action against any one, but the one which is in clear violation of the existing law, which is not to set up on the national highway, that only has been closed down. Okay, right. So basically in 2021 itself, a meeting was held by District Council Affairs Department, and we have received a communication from the department that in consultation with KHADC, they have decided that no such gate can come up over state PWD roads, state highway or national highway, and we have acted in accordance with the same. Simultaneously, since as I said earlier, that the work order itself says that point number 6 and in the point number 6 that it cannot come up over these kind of roads. Hence, it was wrong on the part of the agent to set up such a check gate on the national highway, and hence it was closed down.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.